Hey students, let's solve one previous question of algorithm. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1 question number 25. The height of any rooted tree is defined as maximum number of edges in the path from the root node to any leaf node. Suppose a Min-Heap T stored 32 keys. The height of T is dash. Min-Heap is also a complete binary tree. In case of binary tree, height of the tree is log n base 2. N is the number of node, or you can say number of keys in that tree. In this Min-Heap there are 32 keys. So log 32 base 2, that will be 5. That Min-Heap height will be 5. As Min-Heap is also a complete binary tree, and in case of complete binary tree, height of the tree is log number of key base 2. Here number of key given is 32, so log 32 base 2 equals to 5. Answer will be 5. I already discussed Min-Heap, Max-Heap. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.